We're very hands-on. We take our responsiveness to a whole nother level. What separates us from your traditional hood cleaning company is that we also handle any of your back of house cleaning needs. Anything from the ceiling tile and the grid to the FRP walls to detailing all of your equipment, interior, exterior, floors, drains, you name it. There's a lot of companies out there that say they can clean kitchens, and you will find very quickly that they cannot. So oftentimes we're asked to do a demo because it does require a specific skill set. Cleaning a commercial kitchen is unlike cleaning anything else. This evening we're going to be performing a kitchen deep clean. So what we're going to be doing is detailing the interior and the exterior of all the equipment. This is going to consist of flat top, 6-burner range, some fryers, a griddle, a salamander, floors, floor drains. We are one of just a handful of ICA certified firms in the country. ICA is the International Kitchen Exhaust Cleaning Association, and it is the most prevalent certification to hold in the industry. It requires continuing education. Be careful if you decide to go with a solo operator who may not carry the insurance that is necessary. If there were an incident, who's not a certified firm, our technicians are trained. We follow a certain standard, and we have to abide by that standard to keep our accreditation. Unless it's a new restaurant, there's a reason why a customer is looking to make a change. This is what we saw 7 years ago when we started Halo, that there's a huge void in the market. Many customers are so let down by their kitchen exhaust cleaning company that it can be tough explaining to them how we operate, and we have to show them. And they quickly see after a service or two that, hey, we are unlike any other company they've been with before, that we are on top of it, that we're responsive, that the systems are brought up to code every time they are serviced. When we do the janitorial work, this is extremely hard work. This is not like cleaning office buildings. We're in there cleaning the equipment, we're detailing the floors. This is done during the middle of the night, 7 nights a week, 365 days a year. You're not going to find a company like us anywhere that can do both kitchen exhaust cleaning and the nightly janitorial in your kitchen. We give names, we give phone numbers. You can reach out to any of our customers, talk to them, and they will fully endorse us and tell you just how good we are at what we do. We are a 5-star type kitchen exhaust cleaning / janitorial company. We can do this on a weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annual basis, but some customers have determined that they prefer to just outsource this fully to us, and we staff them 7 nights a week. So your staff is able to leave as soon as their shift is finished. We come in, we clean up the mess, you focus on what you do, let your staff get out after a 12-hour shift, and let us come in and clean up the mess.